Hello guys, there is nothing as cool as making money from the comfort of your home guys. All what you have to do is listen attentively to me and this video I'm about to make and you will be making money from the comfort of your home guys. Alright guys, so follow me up. A link will be in the video description below where you have to create an account with this site, and this site is actually very easy to create an account. When you click on the link, it will bring you to a platform where you have to create an account. All what you have to do is input in a valid phone number, enter a valid password, and enter a valid phone password. Then you click. This is going to be your invitation code, which is going to definitely be different from everybody. So like this is my, so it's going to be different from everybody. Then you click on register. Well, I already have an account with this platform, so I just have to click on login. So when I click on login, I just have to log in my account, and that is all about 91 recreation. Well, so 91 recreation is a money making platform where you have amazing awesome opportunity to make money from this great site. Yes, when I mean amazing awesome opportunity to make money from this great site, yes, stay with me. Let me ride it through some of the processes of making money from this site, and it's actually as easy as possible. You can see this is a customer service list, which is 24 hours customer service. The Telegram and 91 recreation global merchants manager, it is actually here. So how it's gonna be now? This is on mine. This is promote financial big term table and the home. So this is the home interface. You have total revenue online. So you have to check. You can still sign in to collect points. On your first day you sign in, you're able to have 100 points first day, the next day 50 points, third day 100 points, and fourth day 50 points, and the 105th day is 100 points, sixth day 50 points, seventh day 150 points. So you can check in. So I will just be signed in to get 100 points, which is confirmed. So I will just be, this is how the rules is. The rules details: sign in every day to get points for free. Two, the platform reserves the final interpretation of this event. If you have any questions, please contact customer service. Sign in points can drop the currency price on the lucky turntable. Yeah, so that is about the check-in. And I will be explaining to you how you're able to recharge. We have amazing, awesome processes of how you're able to recharge with this site. We have the wallet balances actually for now, and you can see 5.51130 NRS equals to 1 TRS. So agreement type TRS, TRC 20, BIP 20, BNB, and the legal tender, which is actually the money and rupee. So you can see we have so many amazing ways to recharge from this site. If you want to recharge, and it's actually very easy. So the TRS, if you are going for the TRS, you click on TRS, then you click on submit. And click on submit. This is the link you have to copy and go to any of your crypto wallet and paste it there. Then you'll be able to recharge as soon as possible. And same goes with the TRC20, which is the USDT. USDT of 20 is actually cheap. This is the USDT of 20, which is 1 USDT. It is cost to 81.963038 I legal tender. So you can see this is the wallet address you have to copy and go to any of your crypto wallet and paste it there. Same goes to the BIP20, the BNB, and the legal tender. So that is how you're able to recharge. I'm just trying to explain everything about the site for you, how you're able to recharge on this site. And withdrawal is the same process, is as easy as that. You'll be withdrawing the INR and the handling fee, everything will be there. The daily withdrawal, 3 daily withdrawal per day. You can add the withdrawal wallet and click on submit when you want to withdraw. As simple as that. So I will just be running through the process, and these are the guides of the site. The beginner's guide, recharge method. The minimum recharge is 30 TRS, 10 USDT. The maximum is not limited. Our company supports TRC2, that's TRC20, TRS, USDT, BIP 20, USDT, BNB, Indian Rupee, and other wage channels. You can top up with Binance promotion income when you introduce a friend to invest. And in the company, the commission ratio is calculated based on the profit generated by your friend every day. So the commissions will be transferred to your account daily. The level 1 member you introduce, you can get 9% of this daily wealth management income. A level 2 member you introduce, you can get 5% of this daily wealth management income. And a level 3 member you introduce, you can get 3% of this daily wealth management profit. Level 4 member you introduce, you can get 2% of this daily wealth management profit. The level 5 member you introduce, you can get 1% of this daily wealth management profit. So that is the beginner's tutorial. Then the Wheel of Fortune. Lucky Roulette Games introduction. Log in to 91 Entertainment every day and click on the online sign in to get points. Invite new users to recharge for the first time to get 20 points. Invite new users to recharge for the first time to get 20 points. Every 100 points can be exchanged for a piece of lucky turntable, and the highest price for turning the lucky turntable is one IM equals to $9,999. That's amazing profit you make from there. And this is the daily. You can see promotion details, not counting wins and losses. You can check it out yourself and scroll through everything here and how you're able to make amazing, awesome profit from this particular platform. The Recruit Global Agent Invitation Rewards. That is Recruit Global Agent Invitation Rewards. Invite 3 to 9 users to join in a single day. The minimum recharge for each player is 100 TRS and give 7 TRS. That's equals to 9.9 Indian rupee. Yeah, so invite 15 to 30 users to join in a single day. The minimum recharge for each player is 100 TRS. You can check it out. These are basically the rules I actually read out to you here. That's how it is. And like I showed you earlier, you can always chat them more. This is a Telegram group and the official customer service that will be available for you anytime you have any questions and any issues that is bothering you. So this is the Indian rupee, the description, the promotion, the gift exchange, the settings, check in my message, language, and app. These are your records, recharge records, withdrawal records, funding records, points record, and team data. All right, so I'll be showing you where you're able to get your referral code, your invitation link. Like, come click on the promote button and click on copy promotion link. Scan the invitation. Scan the invitation. This is where you get your promotion link to invite your friends, your loved one to participate inside. And over here, which is a financial, you can see the interest rate 3%, receive countdown, no claimable amount, investment amount, generate interest amount, receivable amount, amount of the transaction, security code, and every other stuff. The fund details will be there. You can transfer in and you can read about the rules and check everything that you have to know here as easy as that. Alright, so that is about the daily profit you make, and this is a big turntable. If you have your top up your account, you'll be able to go and highest raffle year, that is one Indian rupee, $9,999, and you can see $900 equivalent to almost 82,627 one Indian rupee. The integral is 100. So if you have to play again, click on this and it will actually start loading, and you can see surplus one time. Cool. You can see congrats on getting one Indian rupee. So you can see we actually have one Indian rupee from the games that we just played. So you can actually go again. Okay, we actually played the game to get one Indian rupee. So you can check about all our records and everything, and we tend to on how we able to make amazing profit. You can see we have one Indian rupee already cooling off in our account. So as easy as that. So withdraw, if you want to withdraw the Indian rupee, we've actually played the game with it. So it will actually be easier to withdraw and everything possible. Alright, so let's check our records like I said. Okay, this is we also have a BTC game also, like I said. Okay, we've already played the turnable. Coming to the home version here. This way you can change your language depending on the language that you actually understand. But I'm going with the general layman, which is actually English. Alright, so that's how I've showed you guys how you promote and how you check your finances, your interest rate. Account balance is one Indian rupee. Interest rate 3%. Receive countdown, no claimable, and everything. You can choose to add up your password and every other stuff you need. So the big turn table, which we've actually done, you can see These are the winners so far: 50 Indian rupee, 10 Indian rupee of winners of people that have actually invested and won money from this site. So let's check all of our details. Okay, you can see big turnable 100 points, chicken 100 points. You can see other amount of transaction is 100 points. And sometimes it actually takes a whooping some time for us to receive our money in our account. You can see the exact time that we did it, exact time, and you can see the exact time 100 point, the big turnable. So that's our today points that we have earned. You've earned 100 points for today. Okay, it's still loading. Alright guys, so you can see how people are making money from this site. Okay, you can see the website uptime, withdrawal chatter, number of users and online. But guys, my videos are mainly for educational purposes. You can always make your own proper research for every other time if you actually want to invest on any platform. My videos are mainly for educational purposes. You can always make proper research whenever you want to invest on any site, guys. Alright, so let's just take a quick recap. Team data and invite your friends. As if so far so good. So we have to wait for this is where you make money from. All what you have to do is always keep going. You can see. So guys, I trust you understand the video and you understand everything I said. If that's the case, give me a like button, comment and subscribe to my videos. Have an amazing awesome day. Bye.